Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G56 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't unlock your device using your screen lock pattern. In such case, the best solution would be to take your time and remember the pattern that you entered the last time. If you can successfully do that, it will save you a lot of time and work in the future, and might as well save you your device's the data and personal information saved on your phone. And if you really can't do that, then the other way to go is to contact the Motorola customer service and let them know about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of the device to them, then they will most likely be able to help you out and recover the access to your phone without the need of removing any personal data or information from it. And if this option is unavailable to you too, then the other best solution would be to perform a factory reset operation. You can do it locally or remotely. To do that locally, you have to access your device recovery tools, and if you don't know how to do that, we can help you out with a full video on that you can find on our channel, explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And the last option to consider is remotely using the resetting your phone using the Find My Device feature by Google. So to do that, just open the Find Hub service by Google, log into the log into your Google account that is connected to this mobile phone, and then just perform a factory reset operation in one click remotely. And that's all for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.